Hi everyone, it's been a long while since I've done any videos. I've been very busy doing the loft conversion and helping my son to move into his house. But anyway, I decided to come back and do a bushcraft knife as my first project for a while. Started off by watching a lot of videos and then coming up with a design. Drew it out on paper, which I then transferred onto MDF, and then I scribed round a pattern onto the 01 tool steel using black marker or blue marker and a scribe. Needed to keep the grind square, so I mackled up some piece of wood over the top of the belt grinder to give me a platform to hold the knife against. Quick and dirty, not a jig. This is only a trial, so because it worked now, I'm going to have to build something to replicate that. I'm at the drill press now, drilling out the handle. I've put some holes in for the loveless bolts and 3 holes just to take some weight out of the handle, and a hole in the end for the lanyard. Not really sure if this is the end of the handle. I'm thinking, might be ambitious, but I'm thinking I might do a tapered tang, but I'm still thinking. I'm using a large drill just to put a bit of countersink in the holes. Don't have a metal countersink bit. Obviously, if I taper the tang, I'm going to have to do the countersinking again. Well, here's the finished shape of the knife. Finally decided that I'm going to do a tapered tang, so I'm marking it up now, and with black marker, and I've laid a 2mm drill on this tile to elevate the tang. Well, elevate the blade, and then I'm going to go around it with a drill bit to mark it. You need double size drill to give you the scribe, basically. So I'm now grinding down to those scribe lines to give me a visual reference for when I'm flattening the tang. Quite a bit of metal to come off. It's a bit of a long process. Right, now I'm flattening it on the belt sander, and that went quite well actually, better than I thought, except for the belt sander wasn't secure enough. So, as I say, I'm going to have to build a jig if I'm going to do another knife. But the magnet really helped, and it come out really flat. Took out all that centre grind I put in, well, most of the centre grind I put in. It doesn't really matter because the glue will fill that. I've made a grinding jig for the bevel. It's just bog standard grinding jig. There's hundreds of them on YouTube if you want to see how it's made. It's just basically a piece of angle aluminium with 2 screws in it to hold the knife up, and a big bolt in the base to give you your angle. I've set the angle at 29 degrees. Don't know how accurate I am with this, to be fair, because I only used a sliding bevel, but it turned out alright. It looks alright, and it's a bit rough because I haven't got any polishing belt, so I'm going to have to do the polishing by hand, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. So the next stage after all this is hardening and quenching in oil. Well, here's the blade after initial polishing. Now it's going to be going in for heat treatment and tempering, so that'll be the next stage. Thanks for watching. Hope you're going to watch the next video, and please subscribe.